Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to clean a marble kitchen countertop. So I'm here with Lenny Sciarrino, who is the president and CEO of Granite Gold. You guys make some great cleaners when it comes to stone. But we're going to talk about marble because it's a very different kind of stone, isn't it?
Absolutely. So marble is much more sensitive than granite, so you have to have a little extra special care with it.
Because it's softer, right? I mean, it's beautiful and there's all kinds of designs, but you really have to pay attention to what you're placing on a marble top.
Absolutely, and people that use marble in the kitchens, it's a little bit risky, but with proper care, you can take care of it.
Well, let's talk about the process and some of the products you have to take care of marble.
So our daily cleaner is, for your routine cleaning, one of the most important things is you don't want to use ordinary household cleaners on stone, especially marble. It'll etch it on contact, it'll remove the sealer, so you want to use something that has a neutral pH.
Which is what your cleaner is. And so is it as easy as spraying and wiping?
Yes, absolutely. So our daily cleaner, you would just spray it, and you just need a paper towel. You don't need anything fancy there, and you just spray and wipe.
And that'll give you that cleaning and no risk of it etching or changing the makeup of the stone itself.
Absolutely. So with marble, it just cleans it. So it won't darken it. It won't, obviously stain it. So
okay.
It's a great way to treat the stone.
Talking about stains, sealer is important. How often should someone seal a marble top?
So different types of stone have different porosity. So when you seal it, especially marble, it's a lot softer, so you want to seal it more often. And the best way to really tell is we just do like a simple water test, pour some water on the stone, and it should just beat on the surface and not darken the stone. So when it comes to sealing, it's pretty simple. You just spray the surface. Now, one thing you want to do when you seal is you want to work in sections. If you go and spray the entire countertop and you let it dry on the surface, it's tough to get off. So you want to work like in a 3-foot section. So you just spray and you work it into the stone. And you don't have to let it sit for long periods of time.
So you're going to spray it on and literally just give it a few seconds and then wipe it and work it into the stone.
Right, and really saturate it.
Okay.
Let it get on there.
And how long then, once you seal it and you've just done that process, how long do you wait before it's okay to start using the top again?
So we like to let it dry to the touch. And then if you put we always recommend using our polish after you seal it. So after you wait 24 hours and the sealer's cured, you can go ahead and use our polish on it, and that will give it a nice shine.
So what is the benefit of the polish and how do you apply that? We have a sample here of marble, so of course this cleaner and the sealer we'd allow to dry, but is it, again, are you just applying it and wiping it away?
Yeah, when you think of polishes, you always think of like a car wax. You have to put it on there and buff it, and it's a lot of work. With ours, you just spray and wipe. It's really easy.
And that's going to bring that shine and give that luster to the top.
Yes, so it adds shine, luster, help resist fingerprints as well. And more importantly, you can always slide a bottle around the countertop when you polish it.
I love that.
So it's really cool.
Great. That's great. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Lou.
And that's it. If you'd like more information, go to acehardware.com. Follow us on our YouTube channel, or better yet, stop by your neighborhood Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.